Particle m is accelerating at 1.5 meters per second squared. At the point where its velocity is 12 meters per second, it's passed by another particle n accelerating at 0.75 meters per second squared and travelling at 15 meters per second. How long is it before the first particle catches with particle n? We will need to find the time where the displacement of the two particles is the same. We will expect one of these times to be t is equal to 0, because that's the moment when the problem starts. So for particle m, we have that u is 12 meters per second squared, a is 1.5 meters per second. Sorry, u is 12 meters per second and a is 1.5 meters per second squared. Using Sm is equal to ut plus a half at squared, we're going to have that Sm is 12t plus a half 1.5t squared. So we can form an equation in t here. So that gives me 12t plus 0.75t squared. For particle n, we will have that u is 15 meters per second, a is 0.75 meters per second squared, and therefore Sn, the displacement for n, will be ut plus a half at squared. Put the numbers in, we're going to get 1.5t plus a half times 0.75t squared, which comes down to 15t plus 0.375t squared. We want to know where the displacements are the same, so we want Sm, Sm is equal to Sn. That's going to give me 12t plus 0.75t squared is equal to 15t plus 0.375t squared. So taking the 12 over here, we're going to have that 0 is equal to 3t. Taking this over here, we're going to have that minus 0.375t squared. Factorising out a t, so we've got t and 3 minus 0.375t. So our t is equal to 0. This is the time where the particle n passes particle m at the beginning of the problem, or t is going to be equal to 0.125. This is the time when particle m catches up with particle n, which is 1/8 of a second later.